welcome to Sophie's Bakery, and today I'm going to be making a rainbow cake, so let's go. The thing we need to do is let a parent preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The thing we need to do is grease the pans. I like to use pans. Now that we're done greasing the pans, we're going to mix our batter. Put 1 cup of sugar. Now let's put half a cup of butter. Ooh, it's really melted. It's so greasy. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs. Put 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That was kind of satisfying. Now let's mix. Ooh, it definitely looks like it's better now. There's chunks on it. After this, we need to get the chunks out. Now let's add 1.5 cups of flour. So I'm pretty sure that's 2 of the flour, I think, should be, right? Yeah, 3. I'm gonna flatten it, just like the video. And Play-Doh. Now let's add 1 1/3 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. Let's mix again. It's like dough. Does it sound like dough? Oh my God. Feels like slime. Add a half a cup of milk. Oops. Now let's mix. I'm mixing it now, it's turning more liquidy. Now we're gonna add food coloring. And I'm adding red. It's like it's squeaking. I'm using the stick to marbleize the cake. Now that we baked the cake, let's put the frosting on. Now that we're done with the cake, let's cut it. I don't know how to do this the best way, but I do know how to do it. It's actually really good, to be honest. I did it! Now that we're done with the cake, let's eat it. That's really good.